So if your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot Max is not entering the setup mode, the orange light is not showing up whatever you do, this video will show you the possible fixes to help you enable it. So first of all, to manually put your Max into setup mode, you gotta press and hold this mic mute and volume up buttons together for exactly 7 seconds. Keep holding it down until you hear the voice prompt, "Now in setup mode." And the yellow spinning setup mode ring will show up after
Hello.
that.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Now, if that doesn't work, just try a cold boot. Go ahead and unplug Max, wait for 1 minute, and then plug it back in. So if you're setting it for the first time, it should automatically enter setup mode after the blue light spins for a few moments. If not, you can try to take it into setup mode manually like we've shown you before. And if the app is open, the setup connection pop-up should appear automatically. And you can then continue setting up your Max from there. That's all. See you at the next one.